Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. It's been a while. Well, in this video I want to show you how I grow my hair longer and thicker, and like it's full, guys. Let me turn around. Like, if you know my hair before, it used to be so scanty and it used to be so short. So there's this all natural product that I'm using that is like a mixture, it's like a combo that I'm always doing. I've been using it for about like some months now, a few months, like 3 months now if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I decided to share it with you guys because I wanted to first see how it works, and it really works very well. So I'll just go straight ahead and show you how I do this all natural hair cream for hair growth and thickness and fullness, guys. Anyways, before we go into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? There's a subscribe button right down below this video on your right hand side. Hit that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a video you will get to see it. Use Sheabutter. This is like my base oil, or Sheabutter. I'll be using olive oil. I'll be using olive oil. I'll be using coconut oil. This is coconut oil. And I'll be using this herbal oil, herbal hair oil. This herbal hair oil contains aloe vera. It also contains castor oil and joy wheat, which is great for the hair. So I'll be using this oil as well. And I'll be using amla oil. This is amla oil. I'll be using my amla oil. And this one is called palm kernel seed oil. Like the palm fruit, the seed of the palm fruit, then we use it to make oil. In Nigeria, the Nigerians they call it eluaki. Cameroonians they call it manyanga oil. So it is actually black in color. So I'll be using this oil. It's very good for our hair, even for our body. This oil is great. And I tell you, this oil is great. I'm going to be using this container. In this container, I'm going to add in 2 spoons of shea butter. Two spoons of shea butter. This is practically the quantity I do all the time. I don't do in a very big quantity. So once that is there, I'm going to add in 2 spoons of olive oil. And for coconut oil, I'm going to add in 2 spoons as well. And for my herbal oil, I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of this. Amla oil, 1 spoon of amla oil. And for the eluaki, the palm kernel seed oil, I'm going to be adding in 1 spoon as well. So all that ingredient, I'm just going to mix it. Mix. Well, mix. If you like, you can actually put it in hot water for it to really mix very well. But if you feel that it's well mixed, you can put it in the fridge for it to coagulate. Then you can use it. So I'll just go straight ahead and put it in warm hot water. Melt that. Once it's well melted, then I'm going to put it in the fridge or the freezer. I'm going to off the gas. Just leave it there for it to melt very well, so that all can have a good mixture. You can see it's well mixed. I'm going to let it cool down. After it has cooled down, I'll put it in the fridge. Then I'll show you the final product, how it looks like. So this is the oil. After I've put it in the fridge, this is how it looks like. So you can see. This is how I use it on my hair. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video was helpful, and please drop a comment down below this video to tell me what you think about this. And yeah, thank you very much for stopping by today, for clicking on my video to watch, and thank you for my returning viewers, and for the new subscribers, I say thank you very much. My name is Gilly. So this is it, guys. I'll show you again in my next video. To have a great weekend and to have a blessed day. Bye.